So, I have received more than a few comments regarding the Scrungly Lizard ID not working for others when they attempt to spawn it in, as well as an annoyingly large amount of comments asking how I can spawn creatures in without the player character being present in the arena. The latter is a simple matter of disabling Player 1 before starting the sandbox. Then there is the sprinkling of comments asking which button to press in order to bring up the dev console. It's the tilde key, the one to the left of the number 1 key on your keyboard. You would know this if you bothered to actually read the descriptions of the mods I so generously list out for you in every single video. But don't worry, I know that utilizing the organic hardware rattling inside your skulls can be rather difficult for some of you. Anyways, about the issue with spawning the Scrungly Lizard, I genuinely don't know what all of you are talking about. What? You are not the Scrungly. What have you done with it? All right, clearly, something has occurred without my knowledge. I've been moving a lot of data around recently in preparation for the advanced testing phases for the other test subjects, so perhaps something went awry. This is terrible, terrible news. What if Scrungly no longer exists? What if the lizard we know of as Scrungly never truly existed in the first place? Where did it go? Maybe the initial experiments were already tampered with from the beginning. After all, during that time frame, I had only recently discovered that a particular mod was altering the physical appearance of vanilla lizards while enabled, despite the fact that I had not actually changed any of the settings myself. But let's see if it is the culprit. Clear evidence that the lizard customization mod does in fact seem to alter the traits of vanilla lizards without user input. Or perhaps it reshuffles the traits each time it is enabled. Whatever the case may be, this isn't our Scrungly. This is quite unfortunate. Scrungly can't be gone. Surely there must be a way to correct this. Maybe they simply shifted which ID they appear in. It can happen, sometimes, though I do not know why. Maybe if I scrub through IDs 8140 through 8149, I will find it. What about the other versions of Scrungly? Did they change too? Don't get your hopes up. While this cyan looks similar to the Scrungly version, it isn't an exact match. The same goes for the red Scrungly. No longer a shriveled twig, but a fully fledged red lizard. At this point, I don't want to go through the process of checking each Scrungly counterpart. It is clear that something, at some point, transpired in the lizard code whilst I've been preoccupied with preparations for the testing region. In conclusion, Subject Scrungly has been redacted from the system.